Yeah, you don't have to get. You don't have to get a guide, just follow tour scripts and then you know where to go next. Good morning. Hello.
Factory.
Factory to see our hotel. Just found out. Well, I just wanted to check how long is our layover. Only for us to find out that our flight is delayed for 2 hours, which means we won't be able to make it to our connecting flight to Utica. And that's the last flight for today to Gothenburg from Amsterdam. So we might actually end up staying in Amsterdam.
We'll see.
Time check, it's 3 p.m. We're still lining up.
Yeah.
We were here since 1:30, 1:40. And as mentioned, flight is delayed. We might not make it to our connecting flight. And we still don't know how it's going to be.